Welcome back to the breakdown. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung Jet 60 cordless wireless vacuum. Now this is the basic bottom of the line cordless vacuum from Samsung, but still packs a lot of features, a lot of power, and I've been very happy with it. We bought this because in our home it came with a central vacuum. We absolutely love it, but it's a big pain if you just want to clean a single room, maybe vacuum around the kids' bar stools or the dining room table, have to lug out all the hose and the vacuum and plug it all in, put it all together just to vacuum one area. That's where the Samsung Jet 60 really came in for us. I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of this and everything I liked about this and what I did not like about it in a moment. First, a few disclaimers. This was not a review unit. I did buy this myself with my own money to use in my own home. I will put a link to this on Amazon down in the show notes and in the first pinned comment. Pricing on these changes so rapidly, I hate to give you a price and have it be wrong. So check it out on Amazon in the first pinned comment and the show notes for pricing. And lastly, before we get into the full review, if you're new here, do me a big favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. It really does help us because it lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. So with that said, let's dive into this, taking a look at the actual vacuum and what came with it. Now, a few key things here to know with this. This is the basic bottom of the line thing here, but overall, a lot of the look and features of it are very similar. It has a similar canister with it. It does have the special lock-in there to help trap in the dust and the cat hair and all that kind of stuff, dog hair, whatever you may have with it. The real difference here is a few key things. Number one is, compared to the higher end models, this one does not have a digital display to tell you what mode it's in. It just has a couple buttons, a power button, and then a lower section and a higher section with it. Also with this, it's 40 minutes of runtime versus 60 minutes of runtime with the higher end models. Honestly, that was not a problem with me because if you really think about it, I don't vacuum for 40 minutes. I'm typically vacuuming, stopping, moving stuff, and more. So when I stop, I just turn it off. I hit the power button right by my thumb on the handle and I can stop it. So running this for 40 minutes wasn't a problem even in a large home. The one thing I will say I noticed with this is the fact that the head of it, compared to my old Central Vac one, is a lot smaller. Now the Central Vac here is a pretty standard size vacuum head that you'll find on a Bissell or a wide range of different products. I don't think it's extra large or anything like that. They do sell a bigger one out there if you're looking for that, but the Central Vac one you're seeing here is standard. So you can see that the head on this actually vacuum is a lot smaller. Now, is that a big deal breaker? No, because like I said, I'm mostly using this for areas, and honestly, it just adds a couple additional swipes per room when I'm vacuuming. Not a huge issue with it, and a lot of cordless vacuums I've noticed do have these smaller heads. Now for suction, I was actually quite impressed. I vacuumed our rooms and then ran this over it, and it sucked up additional stuff, even with my powerful, huge central vacuum in the house. This actually did a really good job. Recharging is super simple. It does come with a base that you can mount on the wall to hang it. You just drop into the base and through the power plug you plug into a wall outlet, it starts charging without issues. I was very happy with it overall. Let's listen to this. Let's take a look at it actually running so you can see what it sounds like, how loud it is, give you an idea of what you can expect with it. All right, a few final notes with this. The 40-minute runtime here is 40 minutes on the normal setting when you turn it on. If you lower the suction volume, which is great because the suction power, I should say, is a little high when I got on, for example, a rug you just saw me vacuuming on. Makes it kind of hard to go over it, so I lowered it a little bit. But if you max it out, you go up higher, it does drain the battery a little bit faster, maybe about 30 minutes of runtime. Again, not a big deal. The other thing, and this is kind of a general issue with all cordless vacuums, is they're top heavy. Because the battery and everything's on top, they're not designed to self-stand, most of them on the market at least, the ones I've tested, which hasn't been a problem. Usually when I'm vacuuming, there's either a couch, a chair, or a wall. I can just lean this up against real quick if I'm stopping to use it, or honestly, I just lay it down on the floor. I move some furniture, I pick up all the kids' toys off the living room floor, and then I continue to vacuum without issues with it. I do love how it's only 5 pounds. This does make it lighter than the higher end models, though the other ones are only about $6 or 6 pounds, a pound more than this one. I do love how super light it is. With my recent shoulder surgery, I do love the ability to quickly grab it and go without having to worry about hurting my shoulder. So if you have somebody who needs a light vacuum, who like me is mostly looking to use this for quick jobs where I don't want to get out the big central vacuum as I would when I'm vacuuming the whole house. I just want to vacuum on the dining room table or more. This is awesome. Or maybe you have kids that just get food all over the couch. This is awesome. The additional attachments make it really easy to vacuum out couches, all kinds of areas with it. So 2 thumbs up. Very powerful vacuum. 40 minutes for me in my house, which is a standard suburban home, was perfect. Like I said, if I'm not using it, I just hit the power, turn it off. And the power of it, the light construction of it, the recharge rate, everything was as expected and worked great. So 2 thumbs up. I would recommend this vacuum. I did really like it. So if this helped you, do me a big favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, let YouTube know you enjoy what we do here so YouTube recommends our videos to more people, helping me grow this channel, helping me support my family. So that's it. Take care, be safe. We'll be back again real soon.